Okay, hello, my name is Danny de Vries. I am a lecturer in this MOOC on the social dimensions of antimicrobial resistance. This MOOC was developed by SONAR Global, which is a network of social scientists who are trying to integrate their work in the field of epidemic threats, which includes antimicrobial resistance and vaccine hesitancy. Antimicrobial resistance is a growing global problem. It's been estimated that by 2050, 10 million people will die per year from antimicrobial resistance. And it's not just a problem in the health system, it's actually also a problem in veterinary and agricultural systems, which are heavily dependent on antibiotics. And although resistance is a biological process, it's actually a problem that has very many cultural and economic and social and political dimensions. It's about how our infrastructures have built antibiotics into our world. To change this, we really need the help of the social sciences. We have brought together 25 experts from the social sciences to share their views on antimicrobial resistance, their ideas and thoughts about issues such as the historical aspects of antimicrobial resistance, economic challenges, political issues about, for example, national action plans, as well as issues of, let's say, geography and mobility. So we invite you to take a look at our MOOC. It's available at Coursera and also through the SONAR Global website, as well as through the University of Amsterdam online courses.